Jai Meenatu. Om Shri Veeraraghavaya Namaha. Pranam to Guruji Shri Raghavacharya Garu. Pranam to Guruji Shri P.V.K. Punishwara. Very happy to talk to you all on the occasion of starting of second level of online classes. So in a week's time we will be completing the level 1, the serial what we have started in the month of first week of December 2019. I am very happy many people have joined and we had a very good interaction, and with the final 1 or 2 classes are pending that will be completing this month, and I welcome you all to join in the second level on Meenatu Nadi system. We all know the direct contact with the students and started spreading Meenatu online system started in the month of September 2011. By 2021 we will be completing 10 years of service. Along with the 10 faculties we are teaching Meenatu Nadi system, Nakshatra Siddhanta, Raghavacharya directly to all the students. Now that many requests from throughout India and abroad has come, sir, we also wanted to learn from you. It is not possible for me to visit many places at the same time. So we have launched online classes last year December. So far successfully it is going on. And I was just telling you in the initial stages itself 3 levels, level 1, level 2, level 3. In these online classes, definitely you people will be enjoying more sitting at your house and also taking your leisure time when it is possible. You sit there, and we are planning always on Saturdays night around 7:30 to 9 p.m. only that 1.5 hours class what we are starting. That will be very convenient for you sitting at home after finishing your day, entire week office work, and relaxed way you can listen to my talk. All my talks are live program in a whiteboard. I'll start explaining to you. These online programs will be definitely useful to you sitting at your house and learning very easily the prediction techniques. Entire Meenatu Nadi system, Nakshatra Siddhanta, written by Guruji Sri N.V. Raghavacharya ji, Meenatu, is a totally on prediction. You read any number, n number of books, but prediction is an art. That art I am teaching you how to decode and how to predict. You would have seen many of my YouTube talks, Meenatu online, many of the talks. Even I have given on India, even US and China and the students, and many things I have given, many things. Recently I have given marriage matching and given a mundane astrology, 3 hours non-stop talk also I have given. It's all the classes what no, it will be focusing directly on the students, and I will give very easy way. Easy means easy way of understanding, and whereby you grasp very easily. The entire Nakshatra Siddhanta what I am going to teach to you or have a live interaction with you, all totally based on Guruji's Practical Stellar Astrology, this book written by our Guruji, which is Bhagavad Gita on Nakshatra Siddhanta. As repeatedly on my online classes I used to tell you, every page, you take a page, you can do research. Every page. I myself did research on 3 pages from this book. And there are many students have done PhD from the taking from. So this book, I can't just say it's a great Shastra. The great Shastra Nakshatra Siddhanta Guruji has given and left to a Siddha Purusha. When he was alive, no recognition. But all Siddha Purushas, they take birth to give some message to the society. That's all. Their job is over. So here he has given that message for us. Practical Stellar Astrology. From there, we have come out Nakshatra Digbala. Wonderful book coined by Dr. Satya Sri Raja. Nakshatra Digbala. She has written from this book. Digbala, the concept itself is totally changed. that using the nakshatras. And I have got doctorate on Jiva and Sharira practical, Jiva and Sharira stellar effects. This is also 2009 I have written. That book in Telugu also it has come. Then the Nakshat Prashna Sastra, one of the very beautiful concepts in Prashna Sastra. This I will be taking classes for you in level 3. This only sufficient for you. Maybe you don't require even a birth chart for giving instant prediction. This level 3 I am going to take entire classes for you. In level 3 you will master this prediction technique. There are many prediction this thing. Then later it comes one of the good concept, planets, aspects and reflection. This is written by Dr. Hemavati. This is also rule number 17 of practical stellar astrology. From there the concept has been taken and done research on. This book also I will be taking classes for you. And then one more, Dr. Vijay Lakshmi, Gunas of timing of events. This 2016 batch she has done on Gunas. Guruji has written a beautiful chapter on Gunas. On that madam has done a research. These books are only sufficient for you. I will be taking classes on this only. In this, particularly in level 2, the 40 golden rules, principles Guruji what he told. Each rule I am going to talk to you for around 40 to 50 minutes. Each rule I am going to talk to you and give explanation to you with the practical example charts. Then after that, Uttama Drekana, what is the Uttama Drekana Raghavachari? That concept I am going to teach you with the practical examples. Nakshatra Digbala, what written by Dr. Satyasri, the entire detailed discussion with the example charts. How Nakshatra Digbala plays a vital role, I am going to discuss with you. And Binna Pada concept, how Binna Pada. In level 1, I discussed with you all basics. Now the Binna Pada concepts with example charts I am going to discuss with you. This total 23 classes I am going to cover in this. So auspicious day, 5th July, Guru Purnima. I am telling you, moment you look at a chart, you will be in a position to definitely say, I am damn sure, I am telling you just like that I am not talking. Damn sure. Moment you look at a chart, you will be giving a wonderful prediction. That is the way I would like to take you to that level, to the highest level of, and at the end of our 75 classes, all should call you as expert in Nakshatra Siddhanta. And that time Guruji's blessings will be there. And once level 1, level 2, level 3, all the level 3 when you are completing. This syllabus is linked with Yoga Samskritam University. If at all, if you are interested, after the 75th class, you can take examination by paying university fees, and you will be getting a postgraduate degree of MA, Master of Arts in Vedanga Jyotisha. These provisions also I am making you. As you all know, JKR Astro Research Foundation, now today we have got more than 1000 students enrolled with us and they completed their diploma courses and certificate courses in JKR Astro Research Foundation. 2011 onwards we are running classes. For these online classes also, those who have learnt level 1, level 2, level 3 under our scheme, at the end of every level, we will give you a certificate from JKR Astro Research Foundation, which is a registered body. From there also, Nakshatra Pravina, Nakshatra Siddhanta, Nakshatra Shiromani, like that, certificates also will be awarded to you. And we will plan in such a way, whenever we conduct a grand function in Secunderabad, we will invite you all in the grand gala function. We will award you these certificates also. I trust you all will enjoy my talk and join with me in sharing the knowledge what I have and make you all expert in Nakshatra Siddhanta. I welcome you all, and registration is on from today onwards. Registration is on. In that we are given one mobile number and email ID. You be in touch with them and get yourself registered, and we will meet you on 5th July at auspicious time. I will announce you. Good luck to you. Best wishes. Come and join with me and enjoy Guruji's Raghavachariyam, Meena to Nadi system, Nakshatra Siddhanta prediction tools. Good luck to you. Best wishes.